Hi, it's SongBird. I'm going to show you the Marine, the elite weapon on the Marine. Okay, so let's get started. Make sure that you don't have the weapon you want equipped in any of your slots. And first, you have to make sure you're on that one. Then you go to Christmas update. Christmas lucky draw. Then you go to new character, and then details. Then you're brought to here. And so I have all the elites except one. So now you choose which elite weapon you want on your Marine. So all you need to do is select your elite and hit equip and then back. And see now on your Marine, your NG, and when you exit out, start game, see that's NG, edit, then you're here. What I like to do is I have Santa suit because you get gems a lot quicker. And there you can equip anyone you want. I don't have him, but looks pretty sweet. I'll do it one more time just so you get it in your head. So back. Make sure the one you want isn't in your 3 rows. Also, make sure that you're not on that. You have to be selected on this one. Now you go into Christmas, new character, details. Then click the one that you want, hit equip, and then back. See, now you're under Marine. You can just switch your armor right away if you want. It's way quicker. Look at that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.